Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Chainlink. Had to do a bit of an update. I mean, Chainlink has been very bullish. I had my eyes on it as well. I mean, Chainlink, it's a great crypto, and what you saw yesterday already, which I'll show you now as well, of course, is that it was gaining a ton of momentum. Like usually when Bitcoin gains some bullish momentum, which was the case over the course of yesterday morning and especially afternoon, usually when Bitcoin starts to gain momentum, some cryptos tend to outperform the others. And Link definitely was one of those. I mean, here you can see Link basically, if you looked at it, was already bullish the 29th of January. Like there it was already gaining a ton of momentum. And you could have already also seen that on the chart right here. I mean, it was moving up. We broke above all of the EMAs, so technically we already got into a bullish market structure. And then yesterday we broke out of our main resistance level right here at 16.5 and $16. Technically, Chainlink right here was in this range between 17.5 and $13. So that was the main price target, but we actually broke above that. And I'm sorry for the messy chart, by the way. This has value, this has utility. I'll tell you that later, but still. But no, Link broke out. I mean, with an open interest and with momentum like this, it's hard to not break out. But no, that happened. Overall, Link right now is very bullish. All right. The market, I would say, if you look at Bitcoin, is a little bit less unstable. But Link is, in general, not completely correlated to Bitcoin. At this moment, the correlation is actually rather low, and I would think that the correlation is dropping down lower. Yeah, here you can see over the last week, correlation hasn't been that high. I mean, Link, the thing is that Link has some backing, like with Wintermute, for example, a big market maker, that sometimes when it's bullish, it can just be very bullish, and the markets will not be able to stop that. But I would say, I mean, like I said, even though the markets won't be able to stop that, it does have an effect. And right now, Link has broken above its main resistance level at 17.5. The main resistance level for the last two resistance touches at the 8th of December. It's a strong level, psychologically as well. So the big question right now is, well, if Link actually wants to go higher than that, it seems right now that we've found some resistance at $18. Can we actually hold 17.5 as a support? Because if Link is able to do that, then we have actually confirmed a bullish breakout. And if we have confirmed a bullish breakout, well, then you can assume that Link is going to rally higher as well. So that's the main question here. And to find that out, I mean, at this moment, it's just hard to say. All right, because like I said, I mean, the momentum yesterday grew a lot. But you can also see that it looks like it hit a ceiling here. And the same with the price. I mean, those move hand in hand, of course. But it seems like some sort of a ceiling has been hit. So what I expect is I do expect a pullback down to 17.5. And then we just have to see. And we have to wait for that reaction. Like if Link drops down to 17.5 here, and it drops down below that, I would assume that we're just going to drop back down to $16, $15, and we'll stay in this consolidation. That is one scenario. That's the bearish scenario, which at this moment, it would be foolish of me to say that this is most likely. Look, Bitcoin doesn't look that bullish, but it's also not bearish necessarily. And Link just had a massive bullish breakout while the open interest is still very high. So I don't think this is most likely. If I would have to give you my thoughts on what I think is most likely, is I would say that this bullish breakout will stick, all right? So that Chainlink is actually able to hold that level. And that from there we'll move up to our next price target, which that's where all of these yellow lines are for. The main level is 19.5, but it basically goes all the way up to 20 and to 20.5. These are basically all very minor resistance levels. So I think something like this is most likely. Now, will I trade this? No, I think it's too risky right now. And I do not want to trade against the people pushing the price up here because I'll lose. All right, so I'm not trading it, but that does look most likely. But like I said, it all depends on how we react to 17.5. So keep an eye on that. For now, these are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find out more about my premium and signal group. I have sent a signal on Link, but I won't tell you what that is. If you're interested in that, check it out. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.